With markets and demand changing daily and so many factors influencing short-term rental prices, staying on top of your pricing strategy is critical to avoid losing revenue. That's why we built Avantio's fully integrated dynamic pricing solution. Smarter rates, less manual work, more revenue, and all it takes is just 3 clicks. Step 1. Select the base rate strategy. Your base price is the foundation of all calculations. Avantio automatically calculates it by analyzing the pricing of your nearest competitors between 50 and 200 similar properties. You then choose how you want to position your property. High occupancy, lower rates, more bookings. High ADR, fewer bookings but higher revenue per night and more profitability. Recommended, a balance of both. And if you prefer, you can always set your own custom base rate. Plus, you stay in control with minimum and maximum price limits. Step 2. Calculate the final prices. Once your base price is set and you click on Save, the system automatically adjusts it for every day in the next 365 days. We apply daily adjustments for seasonality, market demand, booking window, and day of the week. This means your prices move up or down depending on real market signals, ensuring your property is always competitive. Step 3. Sync and review. Within seconds, prices update across all your channels. You can check them in your revenue calendar or rate list and switch strategies anytime at no extra cost. We recommend checking the prices for important dates to ensure they are in line with your expectations. It's really that simple. If you're ready to improve your pricing strategy with dynamic pricing, contact the Avantio team to get started.